G'day guys, thanks for checking out our 2016 Holden Cruize Equipe that has just arrived. This one here has got extremely low Ks, just travelled 80,000 Ks. Got nice clear headlights at the front, really much unmarked through the bonnet and the paintwork on this car. You've got alloy wheels, a little bit of minor gutter rash, but very minimal. Colour-coded mirrors with indicator, and this one does have the window tint. Coming through inside the car, as you can see, the trim is in great condition, nice soft trim, genuine floor mats as well. Coming through in the back, you've got your center armrest, plenty of room through the front with that multi-function Holden MyLink system. Coming around through the back, it's in great condition. You've got rear parking sensors, the Equipe badging as well. Coming through, huge boot space as well. And coming down through the side, it's in great condition. One of the great things about the Equipe, it does give you the alloy wheels, the new look front as well. You do have air conditioning, Bluetooth, and much, much more. You've got your rear parking sensor, your cruise control, and as you can see, this car is in great condition. It is a local vehicle, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.